Howdy friends, welcome to this short walking tour of the Sogenchi Garden at Tenryu-ji Zen Temple in Kyoto. Upon entering the gardens, you're greeted by this intentionally minimalist space of raked white stone and a few carefully placed trees. Meant to evoke a sense of stillness, the lines can represent ripples or waves on the water. It's worth sitting on the observation deck for a little bit, getting a meditation before rounding the corner. This garden was designed nearly 700 years ago by the Zen master Muso Soseki. The name Sogenchi means Garden of the Source Pond, and it is this pond that is at the center of the garden. Viewed from one angle, every stone is carefully placed to represent an island or a mountain in miniature. As I sat taking in the beauty of this space, I almost forgot about all the people strolling by and taking selfies. Eventually, I too succumbed to that temptation. This garden masterfully uses the technique of borrowed scenery, where the hills in the background, in this case the Arashiama forests, blend into the existing garden, giving it a much larger feel. I'm going to pipe down for a few moments while you take some deep breaths and enjoy the scenery. Beyond the pond, the garden continues with features like the stone lantern, moss-covered stones, carefully manicured trees, and beautiful blooming hydrangeas. It takes many devoted people to keep a garden this meticulous. So, where moss is supposed to grow, every blade of grass is carefully removed. It's late June, and the garden has many beautiful hydrangea varieties blooming. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Sogenchi Garden in the Arashiama area of Kyoto, Japan. Thanks for watching.